The gold rush of 2025 is here, but instead of shovels, we are using algorithms. While the majority of people are panicked about artificial intelligence taking their jobs, a small group of smart entrepreneurs is using it to print money from their bedrooms. You don't need a computer science degree, you don't need venture capital, and most importantly, you do not need to show your face. You just need the right tools and the willingness to execute. In this video, I am going to show you 7 specific AI side hustles that can realistically generate your first $1,000 a month. We are cutting through the hype and focusing strictly on cash flow. These are not theoretical ideas. These are business models that are working right now, today. Hustle number 1. AI art generation for stock footage. For decades, photographers had to travel the world, hire models, and buy expensive cameras to sell photos on stock websites. Today, you can disrupt that entire industry from your laptop. Platforms like Adobe Stock, Wirestock, and Shutterstock are hungry for high-quality, AI-generated images. Here is the strategy. Use a tool like Midjourney or DALL-E 3 to generate hyper-realistic photos of specific commercial niches. Think about what businesses need. Photos of diverse office teams, futuristic solar panels, or healthy food setups. You create the image once, upscale it to 4K resolution, and upload it to a platform like Wirestock, which distributes it to all the major marketplaces automatically. Every time a business downloads your image for a brochure or a website, you get paid a royalty. You do the work once, and you get paid forever. It is the definition of passive income. Hustle number 2. YouTube automation. Yes, exactly what you are watching right now. This is arguably the most scalable business model of the decade. You can build faceless channels in high-paying niches like finance, history, or technology without ever recording your voice or showing your face. The workflow is simple but powerful. You use ChatGPT to write engaging, viral scripts. You use ElevenLabs to generate professional human-like voiceovers. And you use stock footage from sites like Envato elements or Storyblocks to visualize the story. The key here is consistency. Once a channel gains traction and gets monetized, it becomes a piece of digital real estate that pays you ad revenue every single month, whether you work or not. And the best part? You can run 5 or 10 of these channels simultaneously. Hustle number 3. AI faceless marketing videos. Every business in the world knows they need to be on TikTok, Instagram Reels, and YouTube Shorts. But they don't have the time to edit. This is where you come in. You can offer a short-form content service where you take their long-form videos, like podcasts, interviews, or webinars, and turn them into viral clips. You don't need to be a professional editor. Tools like Opus Clip or CapCut's AI features can automatically find the most viral moments in a long video, crop them to vertical format, and add colorful captions in seconds. You can charge a client $500 to $1,000 a month just to manage their short-form strategy. You are essentially selling them attention, which is the most valuable currency in the modern economy. Hustle number 4. AI translation and dubbing. The internet is global, but language is still a barrier. Content creators like Mr. Beast have proven that dubbing your videos into other languages can double or triple your audience overnight. Now, AI allows anyone to do this. Tools like Rask AI or ElevenLabs can translate a video from English to Spanish, French, German, or even Japanese, while preserving the original speaker's voice. This is mind-blowing technology. You can act as the middleman, contacting YouTubers or course creators who only speak English and offering to translate their entire library for a fee. You are helping them unlock millions of new viewers, so paying you is a no-brainer for them. Hustle number 5. AI-assisted newsletters. Email marketing is still one of the most profitable channels in existence. People read emails. You can start a niche newsletter on a topic you are interested in: investing, gardening, tech news, or fitness. Use AI to aggregate the news. Instead of spending hours reading articles, you can use Perplexity AI or ChatGPT to summarize the top 5 stories of the week in your niche. Then, you write a quick intro and send it out using a platform like Beehiiv. How do you make money? Once you have subscribers, you can sell sponsorship slots, affiliate products, or a premium subscription. This is a low-stress business model that builds an asset you fully own, your email list. Hustle number 6, prompt engineering. As millions of people start using AI, they are realizing something frustrating. Getting a good result is hard. If you type cat into Midjourney, you get a generic cat. But if you type a professional prompt with lighting, camera angles, and style references, you get a masterpiece. There is a marketplace for this skill. Websites like PromptBase allow you to sell your best text prompts. If you figure out how to generate consistent, beautiful logos, website designs, or character portraits, you can package that exact text prompt and sell it for $2 to $5. It sounds small, but these are digital files. You can sell the same prompt 10,000 times with zero extra work. It is pure profit margin. Hustle number 7, boutique AI voiceovers. Even with AI, many companies don't know how to generate high-quality audio. They try to use the free robotic voices and it sounds terrible. Since you have a subscription to ElevenLabs, you have access to the best voices in the world. You can go to freelance sites like Fiverr or Upwork and offer a premium voiceover service. You are not selling the tool, you are selling the output. You take the client's script, generate it with a high-end voice like the one you are hearing now, add some background music or sound effects, and deliver a broadcast-quality file. For the client, it's cheaper than hiring a human actor. For you, it takes 5 minutes of work and pays $20 to $50 per gig.
The opportunity cost of doing nothing is getting higher every single day. The AI revolution is a wealth transfer mechanism. Money is moving from those who resist change to those who embrace it.
Here is my bonus tip for you. Don't try to do all 7 of these. That is a recipe for failure. Pick one, just one. Master the tools for that specific hustle, spend the next 30 days building it, and don't stop until you make your first dollar. This channel is dedicated to giving you the blueprint for financial freedom. If you want to see a step-by-step tutorial on how to set up the YouTube automation model in detail, click the video appearing on your screen right now. The financial reset is happening. Do not get left behind. I'll see you in the next video.